DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. This video is an educational video to help you understand what to look for in a paint protection film installation. So what we're showing you that is the company did not wrap any of the edges, which is really important. It's also important when you're looking for a paint protection film installer to find out how long that person has been installing, because your installation is only going to be as good as the person that's installing it. It also makes a difference to go to the shop to see their work up close. Therefore, you can ensure that they are going to wrap the edges and that their shop is clean. The time has finally arrived. They're coming in to check out their Kia EV9 installed with our paint protection film the right way.
Wow. Sorry. That's awesome.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Is this installation like night and day? I mean,
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.